Hi, I'm Stirling Moorey, and I'll be leading a pre-conference workshop in Manchester at the BABCP annual conference this year. It's entitled Integrating Mindfulness into CBT. Mindfulness is simply the process of being aware of what's happening moment by moment with an attitude of kind, curious acceptance. We can all be mindful. The problem is that our busy minds take us off from the present moment into imaginings of the past and the future. And sometimes it's really hard to actually live in the moment as we intend. Practicing and cultivating mindfulness can really help us to be more aware of thoughts and feelings as they happen, can help us to break patterns of thinking and behaving that can be problematic, and also develop a sense of greater self-compassion. One of the questions that maybe a lot of therapists have is it possible to use mindfulness within therapy in a setting that isn't a dedicated one like a course of mindfulness-based cognitive therapy? Can it be integrated into standard CBT? These questions we'll explore in the workshop and look at the way in which mindfulness tools can be learned and used by clinicians in their everyday work. One of the most important components of this, though, is to effectively teach mindfulness tools to people. We need to embody mindfulness ourselves. And for this reason, we'll emphasize the importance of having a personal practice to use CBT, incorporating mindfulness techniques. So I'm really looking forward to those of you who are coming to the workshop and more generally to meeting people at the conference as I take over as president from Psych&Naz. Is going to be an exciting couple of years in working with members and staff of BABCP. So do come along to the Manchester conference. Really looking forward to meeting those of you who can make it this year.